Wash, Dry, Fold Point of Sale can now create and manage a professional website built specifically for your laundromat. A strong online presence helps new customers find your business, learn about your services, and choose your laundromat over the competition. Your website gives customers everything they need in one place. They can view your services and pricing, check your hours and location, read your Google reviews, estimate the price of their laundry, and quickly schedule pickup and delivery if you offer it. And because your website connects directly with Wash, Dry, Fold Point of Sale, your customers can securely track their laundry orders online. With a simple text verification code, they can see their current order status and even download a copy of their statement without having to call your store. Behind the scenes, you get a powerful admin suite built to make managing your website simple. View synced customers and orders, monitor reports, respond to website messages, update pricing, customize your statements, manage reviews, and personalize your website's colors, fonts, photos, and branding. Your website is also built with SEO and AI search in mind, helping customers discover your laundromat when they're searching online. Most importantly, you don't have to become a website designer to keep it running. We handle the website, ongoing improvements, new features, and security updates for you. You focus on running your laundromat. We'll make sure your business looks great online. Your laundromat, your brand, your website, built by Wash, Dry, Fold, Point of Sale.